Hi everyone, my name is Daniel, and today we are going on an unforgettable journey through our solar system to explore all the planets. Are you ready to explore? Let's go! First, we have Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system. Mercury is so hot that the temperature on its surface can reach up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. That's like standing next to a huge bonfire. Imagine feeling that heat. Next, we have Venus, the brightest planet in our night sky. Venus is often referred to as Earth's sister planet because it's similar in size and composition. But don't be fooled, Venus is actually covered in thick clouds and has a scorching hot surface. The temperature on Venus can reach up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. That's even hotter than Mercury. Now let's visit our home planet, Earth. Earth is the only planet in our solar system known to support life, with its atmosphere and oceans that make it a unique place to live. And guess what? We're standing on it right now. Imagine how lucky we are to have a planet like Earth to call home. Let's go to Mars next. Mars is often referred to as the red planet because of its reddish appearance. It's the fourth planet from the Sun and is a popular target for future missions to explore the possibility of life on other planets. Scientists think that Mars might have had water on its surface a long time ago, which is why they're so interested in exploring it. Next up is Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. It's so big that all the other planets could fit inside it. Jupiter is a gas giant and has many moons, including the famous moon, Europa, which is thought to have a subsurface ocean. Scientists think that there might be life in this subsurface ocean, which is why they're so interested in exploring it. Saturn is our next stop, and it's famous for its beautiful rings. Saturn is a gas giant like Jupiter, and it's the second largest planet in our solar system. Can you imagine how amazing it would be to see its rings up close? They're made of ice and rock and are thousands of miles wide. Let's go even further out to Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun. Uranus is unique because it rotates on its side, so it rolls through space instead of spinning like the other planets. That's one wacky planet. Uranus has 27 moons, including Miranda, which has some of the most unusual terrain in our solar system. Next, we have Neptune, the furthest planet from the Sun. Neptune is a gas giant like Jupiter and Saturn and has some of the strongest winds in our solar system, reaching speeds of up to 1,500 miles per hour. Neptune also has a large moon called Triton, which is thought to be a captured dwarf planet. And finally, we have Pluto. Pluto is a dwarf planet and is the smallest planet in our solar system. Despite its size, Pluto is full of surprises, and scientists have discovered that it has a fascinating landscape with mountains and ice fields. Pluto is so far from the Sun that it takes 248 Earth years to orbit the Sun once. That's a long time. And that's it. We've visited all the planets in our solar system. I hope you enjoyed our journey and learned something new about each planet. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!